I definitely got my mojo back. In fact, I just finished therapy. I completed therapy. I said, I feel ready. I feel like I got more from your 6-week shop than I did out of the therapy. I've had therapy previously, but I got more value of what I needed at this time in my life out of your 6 weeks than I did from therapy. And therapy was just kind of like, here's what I'm doing with my life. But when I first started therapy, my stress levels were like at 18. Now they're down to 3. I had completed all my goals within the therapy, the 4 weeks of therapy that I did. But like I said, I think a lot of it, the majority of it, was because of your Integrate workshop. That's what was most valuable to me. Support, and I knew I needed support. And that's why I was seeking therapy, one-on-one. And then when you mentioned the group therapy, I thought, yes, I'm all into that. Support, I knew I needed it. And I got so much from saying yes to joining this 6-week group. It was just, for me, I can't speak for anybody else, but for me, it's more of like a fast track through therapy is what coaching is for me. I still go into my feelings when you do the somatic processes. I have a better understanding how to manage my feelings and allow them and accept them and kind of let these feelings be, but by not running from them and accepting them through the processes that you have, they just kind of run its course, so to speak, rather than let's go dig up old emotions. Let's go dig up old past hurts. Let's deal with right now and love this moment right now. Work with the emotion that we're experiencing right now. We don't have to go back and figure things out. Why did that happen? What brought me to this point? No, this is what you're feeling in this moment. This is what you're thinking in this moment. Let's deal with it now and move forward. So it's more the radical self-love was the root of this whole tree of wisdom that you grew in that 6-week course. And that will get us, I think that radical self will get me through anything. It's like, wait a second, let me stop, let me go back, let me give myself the chance to love myself through this process. That to me is the biggest grounding. And I didn't get it at first, but I totally understand why that's where you started. Without that foundation, I don't think some of the breakthroughs would have happened the way they did for everyone. These are seeds being planted. I don't have to have them be in full bloom right at this moment. And I'm getting chills as I say this. The seeds are there. You can go back anytime and look at it, but the seeds are there. The flowers will bloom in its own time. You'll get this information as you go. It's okay. Right now, the most important thing is just to love yourself and to allow yourself to be present in this workshop. You don't have to do anything. You can just be you. And that was huge for me, huge. And we talked about it. It's like, I'm not going to learn about how to swim. I'm not going to read about how do you get in the water and swim. I'm going to jump in that damn water and just thrash around and have a good time. And if I find my fins, then I find my fins, but I'm going to jump in and just do it. So that's what this quarter's about. And that was a huge transformation. So I went from a year's goal to being completed in 3 months. And now I've started a new goal, which is just action. Where would I be if I didn't do this in a year versus where am I going to go? Knowing that, you talked about the roadmap. Okay, what I would do in the past is I'd have this road that I want to travel and I'd come across an obstacle, whatever obstacle it may be, and then I'd pull off to the side of the road and just hang out there and live in that town, wherever I happen to be. But it's like, no, there's a whole destination that I'd like to get to. And what I love about the idea of coaching with you and my own personal experience with you as coaching is, okay, I'm going to pull off to the side of the road, but I'm going to talk to Yana, and Yana's going to say, okay, wait a second. Do you want to hang out there in that town? Is that your goal? Because you can hang out there if you want to, or do you want some help and you want me to help you find some tools to get you back in that car and driving forward again? And I figured a year of my life, I know the transformation that's taken place inside of me within that 6-week period. Ceilings have already been shattered, and I don't know. I'm excited about what's next. Like
in a way you feel like, I think you do know, you just haven't connected the dots yet. You used to have a dream that you didn't think was possible for you. And now, through the power of coaching, you have this dream and you're realistic about it. You know it's going to be tough. It's not going to be an easy journey. Sometimes life is going to come up. And those used to be the things that made you feel so uncomfortable that you didn't even want to think about it. It was like, yes, I have a dream, but I don't know if it's going to be possible, so let's push it to the side. And now you're excited because you're seeing the reality. Like, yes, I know that life is still going to happen, but on the other hand, you're like, now I have my roadmap.
Yes.
I bridged that gap, right? Like I used to be, and this is what the coaching relation, my job as a coach is just to show you, like, yes, you can get from point A to point B, and this is how coaching is going to help you along the way, every single step of the way. I got you. And once we create that road, just in your mind's eye, it creates a whole new fuel, right? In your body, which is what we learned quite a lot about your emotions, excitement versus doubt, how that'll fuel you exponentially to create incredible change in your life. So I am just...
I wanted to say something about how noticed some of your coaching skills that I thought was really interesting. Is for me personally, on my one-on-one, sometimes I need gentle because I'm really hard on myself. And I get that you are a very intuitive coach, because I could tell there are times when you were very gentle with me with a tiny bit of a nudge. But then when we were on group coaching, there was another person who, that doesn't work. That person needs a kick in the ass. And I noticed that you guys had mentioned, that that's how your coaching together was. So some conversation came up, and I love that whoever ends up working with you, you intuitively know which style is going to be the most beneficial for that person. So you're not, there are coaches. I say, don't sit on the fence. Just do it. 6 weeks. A small chunk of money, small compared to what you're getting out of it. And where would you be in 6 weeks if you didn't do it? And where might you be in 6 weeks if you do this? It's incredible, even if it's just internal shifts, which was a big part of getting my mojo back and my groove back. This was amazing. The outcome is, I could say, worth well over thousands of dollars. And you're getting like thousands and thousands of dollars. You're just getting so much information and the camaraderie with the women. And what I also love is that, being part of the beta, and I know the others, I think going forward, it's just this group that's being created. So it's not just 6 weeks. It's 6 weeks and beyond with an amazing group of people, because I think men are going to show up eventually.
I actually just had a consultation on Friday with a guy who's interested. So hopefully,
good, yes,
put up his face a little bit. Yeah,
it'd be fun to have some masculine energy in this group. I say, don't sit on the fence. Just do it. 6 weeks.